Hi traders, welcome to Traders Wealth Group. This is Sharma here. Today I would like to show you the indicator that we are discussing every day. So I've been showing this in live market. If you want to know how it works, how it should be used, you can contact me at my number 9492340656. Please watch the video till the end and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends. And if you like this video, please click the like button. Okay. Now, if you look at this chart, the chart that you are looking is 24,300 put option. So this is an indicator which when you project on that, I mean, if when you select Nifty, it shows you the Gann bullish and Gann bearish levels. If it is there dark, then we can make it lighter. For example, I can just make this little lighter so that you can understand the one. Okay, then the Fibonacci zone is also light. So this is Gann bullish and Gann bearish levels, and then we have Gann bearish. After Gann bearish and Gann bearish levels, we have Nifty zone option. I mean Fibonacci zone. The Fibonacci zones are like on the left corner. Gann levels are given on the right corner top. You can see here, and now you can also see this. This is a main part, which is where it tells the whether it is Nifty is bullish or bearish, and also after that you can also see the spot price and then a recommended strike price, which you can trade in. So to trade in, use this. For example, if I want to trade in 24,300, then I have to select the strike price first. This is 24,300 strike price. As soon as you select, the advantage of this indicator is that as soon as you select, it will plot the Gann and bullish levels, and it will let you know when you should buy. Above 59 is your buy. Gann bullish is 59. That means above that you can add some buffer and buy this. And this is our entry. So let us take the case of this. Okay, let me open this. How to change the strike price that you wish to trade in? Go to inputs and go down and select the option. And when you select it, you can select this 24,300 and click OK. Then it calculates. See, this calculation happens uh, with what you call Black-Scholes formula, and this Black-Scholes formula is used universally for option calculations. So when you click on OK, you got buy entry over here. So you can see this buy entry. Let me enlarge this for a while so that you can see this. So this is entry price is given. So entry price is 64 rupees 50 paise, and then it has given us entry in the morning, and after that we have got the first stop first target, that is from here to here, it is 2930 points. If you don't want this much of and if you want to do some scalping, you can also change the targets, but these targets are good enough because they're mathematically good and they're technically good, so you can use this. So now you can see the entry is 6450, and it has given entry at about 1015, and then after that it has come down, and it has, after coming down, it has taken a retracement because this is our Fibonacci level. So these Fibonacci levels also retracement happened, went up, hit the target, first target, and ran it down, came down, and went up again. It has given at the end of the day, we are in profit only. So this way you can use it, or else you can, if you want to trade in other some strike price other than the one that I suggested, you can select your own strike. For example, if you want to trade in 24,100, just select it and click OK, and don't forget to open the chart. See, even if you don't open that particular chart, you can easily find out that, see, 24,100 we have to open that. So let me open that 24,100. Let me add that. So 24,100. So this is Nifty. I have to type this. Okay, Nifty 24,100 put option. It's already there. So let me re-add it. So now after adding that, this is a 24,100. Okay. So let me hide all these things. I have enlarged this because to show you the entries. See, even the Gann bullish entry is 22, above 22. So once it is crossed 22, 23, then you could have taken this, and the swing low is your stop loss. You could have taken the stop loss. Now, when you want to trade in this option, then select, go here, select 24,100, click OK, Stop loss is given. Stop loss is given. Everything is fixed, and you can easily, let's see, it went up and it has came down. It has come down and retraced exactly here. Two times it retraced. So let me reduce this view. So it has been. So you have Fibonacci levels, you have Gann levels, you have the total table which helps you to find out the entries and targets, everything. If at all, if you want to see this in live, if you want to want this indicator, please contact me at my number 949-234-0656. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to share with your friends, please share with your friends, and they also should know that this indicator works so well. This has Gann, this has Fibonacci, this has everything in one place. Okay, you can use it for Nifty, you can use it for Bank Nifty, you can use it for stocks, everything. Okay, thank you. Have a wonderful night.